Windows XP, the nostalgic, fun, buggy, virus-ridden, was released in 2001 to much critical acclaim. Heck, it received so much critical acclaim, it was in support till 2014. And, well, during that time, and even after Windows XP's lifespan, people have managed to create these custom Windows images. Today, we are going to be looking at one of them by a guy named Hater, released in 2010 to coincide with the release of Windows 7. Is this better than Windows XP? Well, let's take a look. Okay, there we go. So, yeah, this is the best I can do for right now, so I apologize for that, but yeah, let's just format this as NTFS, and hopefully this will go by kind of quick because, well, Windows XP. Yeah, now the reason why I had to use VirtualBox is because I uninstalled Windows from my main machine and now I'm using Arch Linux. And I tried installing VMware, but it was just giving me all sorts of problems. So I'm just using VirtualBox for right now. I know it's probably not the best way of doing it. Oh! Oh, wow, look at this! The Windows 7 version of XP. Wow. Now another thing I have to say too is I wouldn't use these custom ISOs if you want to like run this as a daily driver. And you never know if someone hacked the ISO image to make it where, you know, the whole thing, it would basically be a Trojan. I know that sounds really weird, but apparently that's kind of a thing where people can bundle in like malware and all that. Definitely don't use these custom ISO images as your daily driver. Even Windows 11 custom ISOs I would not use because, well, Windows is so vulnerable to viruses. It doesn't matter how new it is. That's one of the big reasons why I switched to Linux. Oh wow, look at this. So yeah, we're just gonna leave it as is. We'll just make the name Farts. Oh, that's interesting. It already put in the product key. Oh, nice. Hey, free Windows XP. Well, again, free. I kind of wonder. I mean, you could probably use this as a retro drive. Well, even then, you may as well just use Windows 98 then. This is just on a virtual machine for testing purposes only, or educational purposes. Am I saying all of them have it? No. But it's best just to be careful and at least just test them out in a virtual machine before you actually use them. Oh wait, that's interesting. I just realized this isn't an actual window. This whole thing is just a picture. I just realized that. This entire thing here is just the picture. What is this? Oh, this is interesting. This is actually so you can select your OEM logo. Oh, wow, that's neat. Which one should I do? Well, if I want to go the nostalgia route, let's do compact. Why not? Let's do the Apple logo. I just forgot about the Apple logo there. I could have done that just for irony, but whatever. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, now we have like a Windows 7 styled start screen. Let's see what we get for soft on. Never heard of that. Alright, so we got the welcome. Look at the Windows 7 style welcome screen. Yeah, let's see what we got. Oh! What? Wow! Yeah, now this actually does look pretty ultimate. So yeah, no, as you can see here, we got, let's install the guest editions if we can. Or you know what? Let's just bump up the resolution here. Okay, there we go. So yeah, as you can see, it's literally just Windows XP, but it's got like this Windows 7 style to it. So let's go to the start menu, and yeah, as you can see here, it looks almost like the Windows 7 start menu. So, you know, you got your log off, your turn off computer. Really, the only thing that's missing is the search bar down here. But yeah, if we right click my computer, go to properties. There you go. See, there's our OEM logo. Register to farts. Yeah. Yeah, I like how they even included the pictures on the left here for like every tab. That's actually pretty cool. Oh, this is interesting. Wow, look at that. You got GPU Z in here. You got HD tuner, mem test. Oh my god. MS Virtual CD-ROM. That would be cool if you could like just mount an ISO image with this, so that way you wouldn't even need that is pretty cool. CPU Z. So if we look at our CPU Z here, yeah, there's my Core i9 10A50K, one core, one. Oh, that's interesting. It's only reading it as one core and one thread. CPU Z's December 2009. Yeah, I could tell this was released like right after Windows 7 came out. This was definitely clearly inspired by Windows 7. So yeah, let's take a look at the programs that we got. So we can set our defaults, the catalog, update. Let's look at accessories. Yeah, that's all it's pretty much all the same, just with a different theme. As you can see, we got paint here, so we can just draw. Yeah, of course, we cannot forget about WordPad. Rest in peace, WordPad. Pretty much the same, really. Let's look at Minesweeper. Yeah, Minesweeper's kind of the same. Oh, man. Can't have Windows XP without Solitaire. But yeah, no, I do like the look of this sidebar. I don't know why, it just looks really cool. It's like, it's got like this Windows XP mixed with Windows 7 feel to it. It's actually kind of cool. What is this? Oh, that's the security center. Okay, whatever. But besides that, we just got Internet Explorer, Outlook Express, Remote, and Media Player. Wow, that's actually not as much as I was expecting. I thought there was going to be a lot more stuff here. Yeah, no, it looks like it still uses Windows XP sounds. Oh, that's a little surprising. I thought this would use, like, at least, like, Windows Vista sound. Yeah, it looks like we're using 163 megabytes of RAM, which... yeah, if you're on a 512 megabyte computer, that's actually quite a bit. Again, remember, a lot of computers during this time had like at least 512 megs and maybe up to a gig of memory. I don't have any other programs running. So yeah, this is actually kind of heavy for XP. No, I guess not. Yeah, oh, rest in peace, Rover. Yeah, honestly, this Windows 7 Royale XP Ultimate, this just seems like Windows XP with a Windows 7 skin added on top of it. It's not really anything special. I mean, it looks cooler, don't get me wrong. Like, it's got, like, for example, on this window, you got these different pictures. It does give it a little bit more pizzazz, but at the same time, you know, there's just something about Windows XP's old theme that I really like. Like, it just gives it that charm. I kind of wonder if this even comes with, like, a network. Let's see. Yeah, it says we're connected to the internet. So, yeah, I guess it is just this browser, unfortunately, because I think this is... oh, that's interesting. Bing works no problem. Microsoft. You got some explaining to do there. But, yeah, no, as you can see here, Mozilla kicks ass. Yeah. Actually, I guess not nowadays because, well, a bunch of other stuff. But now if it was LibreWolf on the other hand, then I would say it would kick ass. But, it's whatever. Yeah, because if we had... can we... man, this will not take us anywhere. Yeah, this browser... this is what I like about these older websites, is that you can just run them on older browsers, no problem. So if you need to download a newer browser, well, here you go. Man, this is just not... yeah, I cannot even download Chameleon on this piece of shit internet browser. And yes, I know I can just drag, because it's a virtual machine, I can just drag a setup file, but hey, that would be cheating. So, I love how they make the website here like HTTP, like no problem whatsoever. And then when you try to download it, it's like, no, it's HTTPS. Or maybe I'm just a moron and I'm just not seeing it. I don't know. Yeah, no, I tried GitHub and as you can see, yeah, it doesn't work on Internet Explorer. But yeah, I mean, if you were to use Chameleon or like MyPal, yeah, I think you could probably, I mean, I wouldn't recommend using the modern internet on XP for obvious reasons, but Hey, you know what? If you just want to try it out, I mean, be my guest. I mean, I think it would work perfectly fine. Again, if you do want to go on the internet, just make sure you don't use this as your daily driver. That's pretty much Windows XP Royale, or Windows 7 Royale XP, or Windows XP 7 Royale. However they say it, I can't remember how they say it, which order they say it in, but this is like a Windows XP Ultimate, quote unquote, edition. Because, you know, you get like this newer theme, you get Service Pack 3, you get the newest Internet Explorer at the time. And it does come with a couple of features like this bar here that could help if, you know, you didn't want to access Task Manager to see your CPU speed and your memory usage. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. If you guys liked the video, you know, make sure you click the like. If you dislike it, click dislike. And if you also liked it, you know, make sure you hit subscribe so we can have more videos coming in the future. Until next time, guys, peace.